48 hours after Rajasthan Minister for Food and Civil Supplies Hem Singh Bhadana's son allegedly outraged the modesty of women, he is now absconding. The police had refused to take action when the complaint was filed, but they have finally arrested one of the 4 accused in the incident.
The party, which came into power promising zero tolerance against exploitation of women, is now showing its true colors. Because one of the minister's son in Rajasthan state has been found accused of molestation in Alwar district, and a complaint has been filed against him. In spite of that, police has not arrested him till now. Yesterday the complaint was lodged. People gathered and have protested for his arrest. Still the administration is trying to rescue him. So it proves that the party is showing its true colors, and it was proved before also. Then the only minister from Rajasthan who is accused of rape case has been supported by the party right from top to bottom, and likewise the minister's son is also being protected by the party. So this shows that this party is not serious towards women exploitation cases, and the party itself is involved in giving support to the people who exploit women.
Pooja Shali is in Alwar bringing us the details of this case. Pooja, what are you picking up and why no action for 48 hours?
Well, here in Alwar, I can clearly tell you that the details of the case are getting murkier, because apart from the fact that 4 accused are clearly mentioned in the FIR, only one has been arrested, and that too also happened when they were trying to jump over from the house. One of them fell and the residents and the police personnel caught him. But interestingly, we in fact decided to immediately head to the house of the Food and Civil Supplies Minister, where he's apparently temporarily he resides sometimes. And the house was open. We went inside. We in fact also saw there was a huge frame of Vasundhara Raje, but there was absolutely nobody in the house. We tried to inquire about the family, but they've not seen the family for the past few days. The son sometimes comes. Also, I have to add here that we spoke to some of the residents also. They were not willing to come on camera, but they very clearly told us that he's a young man, the son who's absconding, Surinder Singh. He's a young man, but he's often acted as a goon within the campus and the premises as well of the society. He's in fact tried to prove that there is this clout of his father. Until now, of course, the police maintaining complete silence of the matter as to how the son is still now absconding. It's been over 48 hours. And let's remember, it is a case of eve teasing from within. It happened right inside the society. There are about 10 to 15 flat buildings within that society of Shalimar Colony in Alwar. We spoke to a lot of people. Certainly because of the minister's presence, it appears that the victims also are certainly apprehensive. But it remains to be seen if the police will be able to catch them. But I can tell you that the son certainly did use the clout. The question now is, will the minister use his clout to make sure that the son gets away? Because the name has been present in the complaint. Will he now be arrested? That remains to be seen. But victim's family certainly very apprehensive at this juncture.
So Pooja, as far as the actual investigation is concerned, what is the progress there?
Well, the FIR has been filed by the police personnel here in Alwar, and when we tried to speak to the police personnel, only the details that we could get about the sections that have been filed, which is outraging the modesty of women. There were 2 women involved, a lady and her sister-in-law. They were in fact out in the evening, out for a walk, and that is when these 4 men approached them. They continued to in fact intimidate these women. It was a clear case of eve teasing, and when the women, being brave enough to in fact raise an alarm, the residents walked out. Pardon me, they walked out and they decided to in fact follow the 4 accused. These 4 accused went into the house. One of them jumped over, and that is when he got caught. So this is all it remains. The investigation is limited to the fact that only that 1 accused has been arrested. The rest 3 still absconding in the matter. Back to you.
Pooja Shali, they're reporting from Alwar, giving us the details that for the moment 3 out of the 4 accused are still absconding.